The first invaluable resource for excelling in law school is building a strong rapport with your professors. Don't hesitate to ask questions, seek clarification, and engage in discussions. Attend their office hours as they can provide valuable insights and guidance on the course materials. Professors appreciate proactive students, and your efforts will not go unnoticed. Another crucial resource for success is past year papers. These gems give you a glimpse into what to expect during exams and help you understand the format and types of questions that might be asked. By practicing with past year papers, you will become more familiar with the exam patterns, which can boost your confidence and performance when the real assessments come around. The third resource that can set you apart as a law student is publishing research papers. Not only does it demonstrate your expertise and commitment to your field, but it also showcases your ability to contribute valuable insights to legal discussions. Publishing research papers can open doors to academic opportunities and enhance your credibility as a law student.